If you are a crossdresser who wants to attract a man, you might wonder how to be more feminine and appealing. Femininity is a set of attributes, behaviors, and roles that are traditionally associated with women, such as gracefulness, gentleness, empathy, and beauty. Femininity can be expressed in different ways, depending on your personal preferences and cultural influences. However, there are some common feminine traits that most men find attractive and irresistible. In this video, we will explore what femininity is and why it is attractive, how to enhance your femininity as a crossdresser, and how to attract a man who appreciates your femininity. Femininity is not a fixed or inherent quality, but rather a socially constructed and fluid concept that varies across time and place. However, some researchers have suggested that there are some biological and psychological factors that influence feminine behavior and appearance, such as hormones, brain structure, and evolutionary adaptation. Femininity is attractive because it signals fertility, health, and youth, which are important for reproductive success. Femininity also indicates a complementary and compatible partner, who can balance and harmonize with the masculine traits of strength, assertiveness, and dominance. Femininity can also evoke positive emotions, such as love, admiration, and protection, in men who are attracted to women. One of the most obvious feminine traits is radiance, beauty, and softness. This includes having a glowing skin, a healthy hair, a fit body, and a pleasant smell. It also includes wearing flattering clothes, makeup, and accessories that enhance your natural features and express your personal style. Radiance, beauty, and softness can make you look more attractive, confident, and happy, which can draw men's attention and admiration. Another feminine trait that men find appealing is a loving, nurturing, and caring nature. This means being kind, compassionate, and supportive of others, especially your partner. It also means being able to create a warm and cozy atmosphere, where you can share your feelings, thoughts, and dreams. A loving, nurturing, and caring nature can make you more approachable, trustworthy, and loyal, which can make men feel more comfortable and secure with you. A third feminine trait that men find appealing is vulnerability, empathy, and compassion. This means being able to show your emotions, weaknesses, and fears, without being ashamed or defensive. It also means being able to understand, relate, and sympathize with others, especially your partner. Vulnerability, empathy, and compassion can make you more authentic, genuine, and human, which can make men feel more connected and intimate with you. A fourth feminine trait that men find appealing is playfulness, curiosity, and creativity. This means being able to have fun, laugh, and enjoy life, without being too serious or boring. It also means being able to explore, learn, and discover new things, without being too rigid or predictable. Playfulness, curiosity, and creativity can make you more lively, adventurous, and interesting, which can make men feel more excited and stimulated by you. A fifth feminine trait that men find appealing is flowing, adaptable, and open to change. This means being able to go with the flow, adjust to different situations, and embrace new opportunities, without being too stubborn or resistant. It also means being able to change your mind, opinions, and preferences, without being too fickle or inconsistent. Flowing, adaptable, and open to change can make you more flexible, versatile, and spontaneous, which can make men feel more free and relaxed with you. If you want to enhance your femininity as a crossdresser, here are some tips. One of the first steps to enhance your femininity as a crossdresser is to choose a role model and a style that suits you. A role model can be a celebrity, a friend, or a fictional character that you admire and want to emulate. A style can be a genre, a theme, or a mood that you want to express. For example, you can choose to be a glamorous diva, a cute girl next door, or a sophisticated lady. The important thing is to pick a role model and a style that match your personality, body type, and goals. Another step to enhance your femininity as a crossdresser is to contour your face and accentuate your bust. Contouring your face means using makeup to create the illusion of higher cheekbones, smaller nose, and fuller lips, which are considered feminine features. Accentuating your bust means using breast forms, bras, and padding to create the illusion of a larger and firmer chest, which is also considered a feminine feature. Contouring your face and accentuating your bust can make you look more feminine and attractive. A third step to enhance your femininity as a crossdresser is to dress the part and pay attention to the details. Dressing the part means wearing clothes that fit your role model and style, and that flatter your figure and skin tone. Paying attention to the details means choosing the right shoes, accessories, and jewelry that complement your outfit and enhance your femininity. Dressing the part and paying attention to the details can make you look more stylish and elegant. A fourth step to enhance your femininity as a crossdresser is to get the attitude and the confidence. Getting the attitude means adopting the behaviors, gestures, and expressions that are associated with your role model and style, and that convey your femininity. For example, you can smile, giggle, and twirl your hair, or you can be graceful, polite, and charming. Getting the confidence means believing in yourself, your femininity, and your attractiveness, and not letting anyone or anything bring you down. Getting the attitude and the confidence can make you more charismatic and irresistible. If you want to attract a man who appreciates your femininity, here are some tips. One of the best ways to attract a man who appreciates your femininity is to be yourself and express your personality. This means being honest, authentic, and genuine, and not pretending to be someone or something you are not. It also means being proud, confident, and comfortable with your femininity, and not hiding or suppressing it. Being yourself and expressing your personality can make you more attractive, unique, and memorable. Another way to attract a man who appreciates your femininity is to be respectful and supportive of his masculinity. This means acknowledging, admiring, and complimenting his strengths, achievements, and skills, and not criticizing, competing, or undermining him. It also means letting him take the lead, make the decisions, and protect you, and not being too bossy, controlling, or demanding. Being respectful and supportive of his masculinity can make you more appealing, compatible, and complimentary. A third way to attract a man who appreciates your femininity is to be flirtatious and playful, but not desperate. This means showing interest, attraction, and affection, and not being too shy, cold, or distant. It also means teasing, joking, and having fun, and not being too serious, boring, or predictable. However, it also means being subtle, classy, and selective, and not being too obvious, vulgar, or easy. Being flirtatious and playful, but not desperate, can make you more attractive, intriguing, and irresistible. A fourth way to attract a man who appreciates your femininity is to be honest and trustworthy, but not clingy. This means being open, transparent, and faithful, and not lying, hiding, or cheating. It also means being loyal, committed, and devoted, and not flirting, cheating, or betraying. However, it also means being independent, self-reliant, and busy, and not being too needy, dependent, or obsessive. Being honest and trustworthy, but not clingy, can make you more desirable, reliable, and respectful. Being feminine to attract a man as a crossdresser is not a simple or easy task, but it can be rewarding and fulfilling. Femininity is a complex and diverse concept that can be expressed in different ways, depending on your personal preferences and cultural influences. However, there are some common feminine traits that most men find attractive and irresistible, such as radiance, beauty, and softness, a loving, nurturing, and caring nature, vulnerability, empathy, and compassion, playfulness, curiosity, and creativity, and flowing, adaptable, and open to change. To enhance your femininity as a crossdresser, you can choose a role model and a style that suits you. Contour your face and accentuate your bust. Dress the part and pay attention to the details, and get the attitude and the confidence. To attract a man who appreciates your femininity, you can be yourself and express your personality, be respectful and supportive of his masculinity. Be flirtatious and playful, but not desperate, and be honest and trustworthy, but not clingy. By following these tips, you can be more feminine and attractive as a crossdresser, and find a man who loves you for who you are. Thanks for watching. Thanks for Wong. Thanks for watching. 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 Watching. Thanks for watching.